Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to Ask Brian Chow. Today, we're going to discuss a special module called Global Price Change for SQL Accounting Software. Sometimes you may want to change the price for all your items in a certain percentage. Let's see how it works in SQL Accounting Software. In SQL Accounting Software, we go to Stock, Maintain Stock Item. Let's say we have a group called Pen. We have black pen, reference price 10 ringgit, blue pen 20 ringgit, and red pen 30 ringgit. I decide to increase price for all these three items with 10%. One way to do that is going to each item, edit and change the price one by one. Let's say you have thousands of items. How are you going to do this? That's why we need Global Price Change module, where you need to open and log in your SQL Accounting Software. Then only you open your Global Price Change module. Go to Maintain Stock Item. You can change all your item in one shot, or you can go by stock group or stock category. Let's say I only want to change for my stock group of pen. Then click on Get Stock Item. It will show the three pen, black pen 10 ringgit, blue pen 20, red pen 30. I want to increase by 10%. I click Change. So you can see that each of them will change. And last step will be Post to Account. Done. When I go back to SQL Accounting Software, Stock, Maintain Stock Item, check on the pen. And you can see that all three items, the price increased by 10%. Global Price Change module not only can increase the price, but also can reduce the price. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.